How wealthy are you? Are you humble? Then you are wealthy. How famous are you? Are you humble? Then you're truly famous. It's humbleness, humility that's going to carry you forth. Allah says one is piety together with piety. All the piety will go down the drain if you don't have with us humility. Narration of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He says, do you know who is the bankrupt person? The companion says, well, he is a person who has no money, obviously. And perhaps he owning and so on. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, a bankrupt person is the one who comes on the day of judgment with a lot of good deeds. A lot of good deeds. But he abused this one, accused that one, perhaps deceived this one, ate the wealth of this one, and did this to that one. So many others who lived at the same time as him or her were wronged by him or her. So when he comes on the day of judgment with the mountains full of good deeds, some go to this one, some go to that one, another amount of good deeds go to the other one whom you wronged, until you're left with no more good deeds. And you still have a line of people wanting justice because of the disservice that you did to them while you are worth on earth. And guess what happened then? The bad deeds are taken and put onto your shoulders. I wouldn't like that to happen. So we are told that let's learn to be humble.